Hi, you are visiting Jihad Sadodin webpage. Our beauty is must. Health is priority. Yes to opportunity, and I want wealth. This is Iron Eagle team, this is Royal. Let's get to the business.
True love and happiness are goals we can achieve, but financial fortune is less easy to attain. Why is it that the idea of becoming a millionaire is just that, only an idea, or is it? Well, it doesn't need to be this way anymore. When opportunity knocks, answer the door is an exclusive peek at the world through the eyes of a unique man, Amir Shani, who knows how to recognize an opportunity and when to seize the moment. Utilize the tools he provides to put your dreams into reality. With the help of Amir's story, you can achieve things you never previously thought possible and become a millionaire. Understand how to break out of your comfort zone. Discover how to identify and take calculated risks. Recognize your achievable goals and pursue them. Lose the fear and take the initiative, and many more. Get the book now and start your journey to success.